Designing the outdoor appearance of house involves several key elements and enhance both aesthetics appeal and functionality. Here are some ideas. If you are new here or if you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the like on this video, share to your friends, family members. Materials and colors that complement your environment. Brick, stones or stucco can add texture and character. Consider accent features like shutters, trim or contain ring, front decor color. Now crafting a mix of plants, trees, shrubs, create pathways with materials like gravel, stone or flowers. Use garden beds or containers for seasonal flowers and greenery. Install outdoor lighting to highlight architecture, feature pathways and landscaping options including wall mounted fixtures, pathways, lights and spot lights. Relaxation or entertainment such as a patios, desk or verandahs. Add furniture, rugs and decorative elements to make these spaces inviting. Enhance your entryway with elements like a porch showing a well-designed doormat, potted plants. Ensure the space is well lit and welcoming. If you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the like on this video, share to your friends, family members. Balancing aesthetics with a practical considering like weather resistance maintenance will help to create a well-designed and enduring outdoor space. Thanks for watching, thanks for visiting us.